Welcome to this guide on how to disable the translate icon on Google Chrome. If you find the translation pop-up distracting or unnecessary, follow these simple steps to turn it off. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your tabs and bookmarks. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the customization menu. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various features of Chrome. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the section disabled the translate icon in Google Chrome. Now, you won't be interrupted by translation prompts while browsing. If you ever want to enable it again, just follow these steps and toggle the option back on. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!